Your Kubernetes pod just crashed with ImagePullBackOff, and you have no idea what that means. So you Google it, read 5 Stack Overflow threads, and 30 minutes later you still don't know how to fix it. Watch what happens when I let AI debug it for me in 10 seconds. Kubernetes error messages are incredibly cryptic. CrashLoopBackOff, error image pull, OOM killed. What do these even mean? And more importantly, how do you fix them? The traditional approach? Read through kubectl, describe output, Google the error, read Kubernetes docs, try random fixes, repeat. This could take 30 minutes for a simple typo. There has to be a better way. So I built an AI-powered Kubernetes debugger. It automatically finds broken pods, analyzes their logs and events, and uses local AI to explain exactly what's wrong and how to fix it. And it's completely free. Runs on your laptop using Ollama. Here's how it works. The script uses kubectl to find unhealthy pods in your cluster. Then it fetches their logs and events. Finally, it sends everything to Ollama. That's Llama 3.2 running locally on my laptop, and the AI analyzes what's wrong and suggests specific fixes. No OpenAI API, no cloud costs, everything offline. Let me show you. First, I'll start Minikube. That's a local Kubernetes cluster that runs on my laptop. This takes about a minute. Once it's running, I can check my cluster. Good, cluster is running and there are no pods yet. Now let me deploy a broken pod intentionally, one with an image that doesn't exist. Here's my test pod. The image name is completely made up. It doesn't exist in any registry. Pod created. Let's check its status. There it is. Error image pull. If you're new to Kubernetes, this means absolutely nothing. And even if you know it's an image problem, you still don't know exactly what's wrong or how to fix it. Let's see what AI makes of this. I'll run my AI debugger. The script finds the broken pod, fetches its logs and events, and sends everything to the AI. Now watch what happens. Look at this explanation. The AI breaks it down into 3 parts. First, the root cause, the image doesn't exist. Then it uses an analogy, like downloading a non-existent app, to explain why this happens. And finally, it gives me 4 specific steps to fix it, including the exact kubectl command I should run next. This is way better than Googling ImagePullBackOff Kubernetes and reading through outdated Stack Overflow threads. Let me show you another common error. I'll deploy a pod that crashes immediately. Interesting. The AI analyzes the restart pattern and suggests checking for image pull issues. This shows something important. AI can sometimes misdiagnose when symptoms overlap. But look, it still gives us useful debugging commands to run next. In a real scenario, you'd run those commands and refine your understanding. The AI is a starting point, not the final answer. That's why it suggests next steps, so you can investigate further. So what do we build? A tool that finds broken Kubernetes pods and uses local AI to help diagnose what's wrong. It handles common errors like ImagePullBackOff and provides suggested next steps. The AI won't always be 100% accurate. We saw it sometimes confuse different error types, but it gives you a starting point and specific commands to run for further investigation. That's way better than staring at cryptic error messages. Everything runs locally on Minikube, so there's 0 cost. All the code is on GitHub with complete installation instructions for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Link to the code is in the description. If you want to see Project 3, I'm building an AI that analyzes AWS costs. Hit that subscribe button. I'm posting one new project every week.